Have you ever taken your car in for like a tire rotation or an alignment, and maybe a week or two later you realize that the spot they used to jack up your car has been crushed in or just dented or folded over or damaged in some way? And you're like, oh, I wish they wouldn't have done that. I'm going to show you how to fix it on my Porsche 911. It's doable with some cheap tools that I made. Let me show you how.
Garage time.
Here's the damaged area on my car when I got it. I'm not sure if this is from improper jacking or running over a curb. This straight edge shows how far the jacking point is kind of crushed in. So this contraption is designed to, pull it back out. It's kind of a puller as opposed to using a hammer. Here's the tooling welded on, and you can see I'm using some sacrificial plates here to spread that load over a larger area. The actual force is from my ratchet. I'm just tightening a nut on the end of a threaded rod, and that's what creates the pulling action. The location of the force is adjustable depending on where the feet are relative to the pinch weld. I finished pulling this section of the pinch weld, and so far it looks pretty good. When I remove the nut, it allows me to get access to that part I welded on and cut it off. Then I just move the tool over more towards the front. Here I'm using the first in, last out strategy. So I'm moving forward to the area that's crushed in the most. I'll pull that out last. Here you can see a huge improvement. I'm starting to get excited with these results. Notice how the feet can be slid back and forth. The feet positions are adjustable with a slot inside the tool. And once again, I'm using some sacrificial steel here just to spread that load out so I don't cause any more damage. Here's a progress shot. You can see where I've attached the puller. Pull number 1, pull 2, and then now pull 3. This is the final location. I'm using the 4th area, and once again, slowly pulling out the damage. Here's that same straight edge again, showing kind of the before and after. A huge improvement here. I've touched up this area with my Schutz gun to reapply some of that factory texture, and I'll go over it with some black paint. So I'm pretty pleased at how well that damage was reversed. Maybe it wouldn't matter so much if it was my minivan, but On a Porsche like this, you know, these kind of things do matter. It kind of affects the value, and you know, these cars are all about pride of ownership. And when you see something sort of mistreated like that, it just kind of bothersome. I don't have a minivan, by the way. If you're interested in learning more about how I repaired some of the dents in the floor plan or floor pan, please check the video after this one. And it's a much longer video, more about how I do the undercoating and all that. So click the link at the end of this video. And if someone is interested in more details or would like to borrow this tool, please reach out to me. I'm happy to loan it to you. And you know, you just pay a deposit or something, and so I get it back. Thanks again for watching. Take care.